Hi knitters, now I'm talking about the Solveig doll and I'm going to show you how I added the hair. I want to quickly point out, as I also did in the Sven doll, I did add a straight stitch above each eye just to give a little more expression for an eyebrow above the eye, and I used the same color that I used for the hair for that, so it's just a real simple straight stitch right above the eye. I think it adds a bit of character to the doll. The first thing I did was I whip stitched the hat to the doll's head all the way around, and I just got that on. So the doll was bald and I put the hat on because the hat I wanted to be permanently adhered, so I didn't do hair all the way up on the top. So I cut strands of the yellow, in this case the real pale yellow. I'm not sure exactly, this is probably maybe, I don't even know, maybe 16 inches or something long. And then all I did was I went under the brim of the hat, just kind of got my needle under there and picked up a stitch, you know, so that when the edge comes down that you wouldn't see that. I went under the both legs of the stitch and I just pulled the end through. And then I just kind of laid it flat until I was ready to braid. Now I did that same thing all the way around, just going under the stitches all the way around here to the back. Now when I got to the very back, I made kind of a part going down the back center of the head. So I just pulled a couple strands going kind of this way through a stitch, and so that it made a little bit of a part there. And then I just pulled these strands together here. I can pull this one out that I just showed you how I did it. And I just did a nice braid and I tied it and then I trimmed the ends, and that's really all there is to it. So I did that on both sides. So I hope that helps a little bit, and this is actually pretty simple way to add some really cute hair to your doll. Thanks for watching.